Not only do meats and fish benefit from roasting, but so do vegetables. It's one of the very best ways to impart intense flavor because it brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables. So here we have some nice new red potatoes, washed, ready to cook. Cut them in half. And we're going to use thyme to flavor these. You can use marjoram, you can use oregano, and any flavor that will complement the rest of your meal. And don't use the same herb in everything. It's very nice to alter the seasonings, the herbs, the spices that you use in a meal. Now toss this with that ubiquitous olive oil and more black pepper, coarsely ground, beautiful salt, and some thyme. I'm just going to chop some thyme because it takes a while to pick off all the leaves. I don't mind a few stems. Toss this. And this, again, is ready for that very hot baking sheet. Hear the sizzle? Turn the potatoes over, cut side down. Oops. And get this right back into a 450-degree oven. Okay. A great way to intensify the flavor of those farm-fresh baked vegetables.